Are you passionate about AWS? Do you love sharing your expertise and experiences with others? If so, we have a fantastic news for you. The AWS Community Builder Program is accepting applications for a new cohort. This program is designed to bring together a diverse group of individuals who are eager to contribute to the AWS community and help others succeed in their cloud endeavors. So you can apply through the following link. I'll make sure to provide the link to this in the description box below, and make sure to clearly review the requirements before submission. Please note that having 2 content links is a prerequisite for the application. So what can you expect to gain from this program? Let's take a sneak peek. You can connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion, engage in enriching community sessions and briefing, receive certification exam vouchers to further enhance your AWS skills, get your hands-on an awesome welcome kit, benefit from AWS credits to fuel your cloud journey, and many more exciting opportunities await. For more detailed information on this incredible program, you can check out this video on my YouTube channel, how I got into AWS Community Builder Program. I have gone through the application process, how you can submit the application, what are the prerequisites, what are the benefits, everything I have explained in detail, so you can check this out. I'll also make sure to provide the link to this video in the description box below. Now coming back, so what is the deadline for this one? The application cycle ends on July 13th, midnight Pacific time. So make sure to submit the application before July 13th, 2023, right? So that is it I had for this video to cover. So this AWS Community Builder Program is an awesome community builder program that you can be a part of. So don't miss out on this opportunity, but learn, grow, and share. That's it I had for this video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.